Today we're discussing this. It's a GitHub repository containing allegedly jailbreaks for iOS 18.4.1, 18.1, 18.2, anything you can imagine, including for the latest devices. And they provide in here huge guides containing information on how to jailbreak the device, how to install the latest version of the jailbreak, the exploits that have been used, as you can see here directly from the Apple security content, and of course which devices are supported. You can see most of the latest devices should work fine with this, and a complete guide to jailbreak iOS 17 to 17.5 and various other things. Now, a lot of you sent me this because apparently it started ranking a lot in Google, and that's perfectly natural, especially since there hasn't been a jailbreak for iOS 18 or 17, not a proper one released by any of the known teams, so anything like this would rank fine because it provides an answer to a question. That's how Google works. And then it comes from a reputable website, which would be github.com. It's a very popular website where programmers post their code and open source tools, so naturally it has a good reputation and pages from it would rank. But let's take a look at this 18.1 and whatever jailbreak. So first of all, this is where they are trying to get you. As you can see, they are promoting this link quite a lot. Bit.ly Jailbreak Finder, so a jailbreak finder tool, just like the one we have here on iDeviceCentral.com. Only that this one, when you click the link, you will get a message directly from Bit.ly, and it says, warning, this URL has been blocked by Bit.ly's systems as potentially harmful. We recommend you close your browser window and notify the person who sent you the link. So the link has been taken down by Bit.ly themselves. But the link itself would go here to ZeeJB.com, a very known scammer in the community. If you're new in this community and you're looking to jailbreak your device, you may not know that these are scammers. This website is also ranking a lot in Google because they provide a lot of articles. These people write all the time, like every day. They also provide real guides sometimes, like how to install iOS 12 jailbreak with Chimera and with Checkrain. But then they also drop bangers like this with jailbreak for iOS 18.5, 18.4, which all of these are fake. However, Google doesn't know that. So if you go here to jailbreak iOS versions, iOS 18, you can see that they have in here iOS 18.3 jailbreaks, and they provide a lot of fake stuff over here, but they also quote reputable people in the community like Master Mike 88 so that they would look more credible. And as you can see here, there are a lot of tools in here, including mine, Blizzard Jailbreak. However, most of these do not work on iOS 18. In fact, besides Pelrain, which only works on the iPad 7 generation on iOS 18, none of this work on iOS 18 at all. So that website is completely fake. And the way they actually try to boost that website's rating is by linking to it through these pages over here on GitHub, because these would rank much better than their fake website, driving people to click on the links and getting to their website. So pretty please, if you're new in this community, you never jailbroke your device before, or you don't have a lot of experience, try to avoid this kind of pages containing a lot of guides and pretending that the latest iOS version is jailbreakable. It's not. A jailbreak for iOS 18 or 17 has not been released. There is one, but it's only for older devices, so it might as well not exist. And if you go ahead here on my website, iDeviceCentral.com, you click on the jailbreak tools, you're going to see this page. Here on the latest iOS jailbreak statuses, at a glance, you can see exactly for each device if there is a jailbreak or not. As you can see for iOS 18 and 17, there is no jailbreak available. There are tools like Misaka X and Nugget and stuff like that, which allow you to do some degree of customization, but there's no jailbreak available. Don't lose your time because you might also get malware in the process. This video is brought to you by FlexStore. They allow you to sign your jailbreak tools directly from the device. You don't need a computer. You can use any certificate either provided by you or you get one from them. And you can of course also customize the tool, change the bundle identifier, the icon, the name, whatever. It also supports third-party sources like AltStore sources and so on. And of course they have a huge catalog of applications, so definitely check it out in the link below. So yeah, this is obviously fake. It's completely fake, but since they have all these tags over here and they do have a huge article in this page, Google is ranking them pretty well if you search for iOS 18 jailbreak. Please don't do that to yourself. This is very likely malware, and none of these tools that they listed over here work on iOS 18. Check this one out. It's Corellium. This is a simulator. Yes, it's jailbroken, but it's a simulator. It's a simulated device, so it has nothing to do with your real phone sitting on your desk. You cannot jailbreak it with this. This is a tool for developers. I'm sorry to see that so many scams are becoming so common these days that they rank well in Google. In fact, they rank better than proper websites providing real news. So definitely be careful. Thank you for watching. I'm GeoSnow. Peace out.